It is very crucial to keep our operating system always updated, as Microsoft releases new updates to address technical problems, introduce new features, and improve performance. These upgrades are necessary for a stable and secure PC. However, we frequently experience issues in installing Windows updates, like Windows won't download updates, Windows update failed to install, Windows update stuck, Windows won't update on restart. Even you had tried Windows Update Troubleshooter, but it's failing again and again. Well-known methods like cleaning temporary files, browse cache, disk cleanup all goes in vain, and still Windows not installing updates. If you are facing trouble like this, just try this straightforward and quick solution that I am going to explain. So let's crack the Windows. First of all, make sure that your device has enough space. Your device requires at least 20 GB of free space to upgrade a 32-bit OS. In this method, we are going to restart all Windows Update services. Go to search and type CMD or command prompt. Right click on the command prompt and choose Run as Administrator. Click OK. Now enter each command after typing it in the pop-up Windows text field. Before moving on the next procedure, wait for each process to finish. First of all, type net space stop space WUA USERV. WUA USERV stands for Windows Update Service. Now next command, net stop crypt svc. These are cryptographic services. Next one is net stop bits. And last one, net stop MSI server. Now browse to the software distribution folder stored on drive C Windows. Here delete all the files and folders inside it. You may press Ctrl A to select all and then click on delete. Again browse to the caret2 folder that is stored on C Windows System 32. And delete all the files and folders inside it. There is no problem in deleting all these files and folders as they will be downloaded automatically. Just skip it. Now we'll start all these services that we have stopped. Again go to command prompt and run as administrator. Now execute the below command, net start WUA USERV. Net start crypt svc. Net start bits. Net start MSI server. After we have finished all these commands, just restart your computer and try to install updates again. I am sure your issue should be addressed by this point. If still there is any query, please comment below. I'll definitely try to help you to resolve the issue. And don't forget to subscribe the channel to get the latest updates on Windows. That's all for today. Goodbye.